Artie McYarty here with another one. Hey folks, how are y'all doing? Today we're going to spray some spoon juice, throw in a little bit of Humic that I got left over. I'm trying to get rid of this bloody thing. And why not a little bit of Hydrangea in there as well. Man, that Humic 12, my only little thoughts on that are I will not buy this anymore now that Green County Farms has newer products out that have a lot of things just kind of all blended in, if that makes sense. But Humic by itself, I'm not buying anymore. But specifically Humic 12, I'm just getting sick and tired of how clumpy it is and how nasty it is and how much you have to keep removing the strainer. And you damn well better have that strainer in whatever backpack sprayer that you have to avoid getting any of those clumps and that sludge and that nastiness inside of your pump. Just be forewarned. Alright folks, I really highly recommend that you stay tuned to the end of this video because the latter part of this video, I'm talking to myself in my backyard, and boy oh boy am I ever so nervous and kind of locked up. So I would like some feedback from you all on how it is. Do you like it or do you just prefer the voiceover? Please get back to me in the comments. Stay tuned. All right, 15 ounces per 1,000 square feet. So I'm going to fill this up to 32 ounces for 2,000 square feet in this backyard. .32 ounces for 2,000 square feet in the backyard. A little bit of Humic, just trying to get rid of this one because we got a lot of new products coming out and I don't need this anymore. But instead of wasting it, I'm going to use it until I run out. So this one's about 9 ounces per 1,000 square feet. So, sounds like that's what's left in here. And we're just going to dump her in. This one's pretty thick, too. A little too thick for my tastes. But, we are done. fill up maybe about a gallon, half a gallon. Pure water. Put your mix in. Heat it a little bit with the water. Again, always have the strainer on so you don't get this nasty debris into your pump, right? So basically what I'm doing is I'm just removing all of the nasty clumps. Look at those clumps. Disgusting.
Yeah, well that's disgusting.
Bushes. Let that go in there. Once again, take the strainer out one more time and just get all that nastiness off of there. I'm gonna fill this up to about 2 gallon mark, a little bit over the 2 gallon mark. Just give myself some leeway. Go about 2.5 gallons, why not? Dilute it just a little bit more. And that's good. Get the nastiness off of there. Pro tip. Spray it so it goes through the hose. So when you start your application, ready to go right out the gate. Get all the air out. So all the product is just right there at the tip. Ready to rock and roll. All right, ready for a little bit of ASMR just to kind of see what the backyard looks like and sounds like on an average weekday. Stand by on this patch here. In the next video, I'm going to try to figure out what is under there. Is it rocks? Is it bugs? What is it that's causing this? This died from the initial frost that we had from the prior winter, and I just never put any sod down. But it was not this big either, but it's been slowly spreading. And as you can see around the edges, before you get to the green parts, it's a little bit yellow. So I'm curious, is it bugs or is it something else? But what we're going to do in the next video is dig in this area and identify what it might be. And if we don't see anything visually, then I'm going to patch it up with some sod, and I'll show you how that's done as well. Stay tuned. Note, if you're in Northeast Florida, I'm not quite sure that hydrangeas are for us, but I'll keep you posted on the progress of these. Yes, I did plant them the worst time of year, right in the heart of the summer, and as you can see, they are fried, but I'm not giving up. I'll keep you posted on these as well. All else fails, I'll stick to my tried and true azaleas. Alright folks, that about wraps it all up for this video. I hope you enjoyed the content. Artie McYarty, signing out.